Coming to second question, you have two triangles, triangle XYZ and triangle PQR. X, Y 4, YZ 6 and XZ 5 centimeter is already given. You have to find length of QR and length of PR. In this triangle only length of PQ is given. Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, we will find the length of these two sides by using the property of similar triangles. That is property of corresponding ratios of corresponding sides. Now we will write corresponding sides first we will write XY upon PQ. XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR. YZ upon QR is equal to XZ upon PR. XZ upon PR. These two ratios first we will consider in order to find QR. XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR. Okay. Now instead of XY we will write the value, that is 4 centimeter. 4 upon PQ is 8 centimeter. 4 upon 8 is equal to YZ is 6 centimeter. 6 upon QR is not given, so we will write as it is. Now next step is cross multiplication. That is 4 multiplied by QR is equal to 8 multiplied by 6. 4 multiplied by QR is 4QR is equal to 8 multiplied by 6 is 8 6 are 48. Therefore QR is equal to 48 upon 4. QR is equal to 4 ones are 4 2s are 12 centimeter. So QR is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we will consider this part, YZ upon QR is equal to XZ upon PR. YZ is 6 centimeter. 6 upon QR we have got 12 centimeter. 6 upon 12 is equal to XZ is 5 centimeter. 5 upon PR is not given, so we will write as it is. Same way, cross multiplication, 6 multiplied by PR is equal to 12 multiplied by 5. 6 PR is equal to 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. Therefore PR is equal to 60 upon 6. PR is equal to 6 ones are 6 tens are. So answer is 10 centimeter. So we have got now PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Coming to question number 3. So in this question what we have to do is, they have given that draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles, label them, show their corresponding angles by the same signs, show the lengths of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. So first we have to draw a pair of similar triangles. So you can draw any triangle and give them name. So I'll draw first triangle XYZ, and second triangle I will draw and give name ABC. Then we have to show their corresponding angles by the same signs. So we know here which are the corresponding angles. Angle X is equal to, or you can say is congruent to angle A, comma, angle Y is congruent to angle B, comma, angle Z is congruent to angle C. Now we will give the same signs for angle X and angle A because they are congruent. So here if you are giving this sign, here also we have to give the same sign. Then we will give for Y and B. For Y we will give this sign. For B also we will give the same sign. For Z we will give square. For C also we have to give square. Coming to next step, that is show the lengths of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. So if you are taking XY as 2 cm, then AB should be in proportion with XY, right? What's our proportion? XY upon AB is equal to YZ upon BC is equal to XZ upon AC. This is our proportion. XY upon AB is equal to YZ upon BC is equal to XZ upon AC. Now XY and AB should be in proportion. So if XY is equal to 2, AB will be equal to double of 2, that is 4 cm. If you are taking YZ as 5, then BC should be equal to double of 5, that is 10. If you are taking XZ as 7 cm, then AC should be double of XZ, that is 14 cm. You can give any number here. The number you are giving here, then here it should be double of that number. So this is the labeling of ratios of corresponding sides.